So this is a quick video just to demonstrate something important to you if you're running AdWords advertising for yourself or your client or whoever. So I've got a campaign here for a real estate agent in the city of Adelaide, South Australia, and they specialise in property management. So in other words, they look after the investment properties of people who buy and obviously own investment properties. So their primary market in terms of what we're advertising at the moment is people who own an investment property and want a property manager to look after it, or people who are thinking of buying an investment property and may need a property manager to look after it. So we're not looking for people to rent the properties, that's separate altogether. So I've been running this campaign for a couple of weeks on Google, and Google comes up with these recommendations for you on a fairly regular basis around things like bids and budgets, ads and extensions, and keywords and stuff. So I just thought I'd show you this keywords and targeting thing. So they're telling us that, you know, I've quote unquote only got a 66% score rate, but you need to take that with a grain of salt. So potentially you'll get another 5% out of this by adding in these keywords. So these are the keywords that they're suggesting here. So property in Adelaide, South Australia, investment property, Adelaide, etc. Now, on the surface, that all looks good, and this is a bit of an estimate. If I can just scroll this up and down, you can see some of the weekly estimated search terms for various different keywords related to this, whether it's investment property, houses for sale, housing, etc. Here's the interesting thing I want you to note. All of these keywords, and in actual fact, it might be easier if I just move this across here. It'll be easier to see it. All of these keywords, all 10 of these keywords, are not really orientated or completely accurate to someone who is actually looking to find a property manager. So they're either for people looking to find a home to rent, property agents, Adelaide, well, that could potentially be one, but it's a little bit open to interpretation. Adelaide properties is so broad that who knows what someone's clicking on. Are they looking to buy? Are they looking to sell? Are they looking for ideas for cool houses in Adelaide, etc.? Sold properties in Adelaide, that's of no use to someone who runs a property management service. Once again, these things are more probably related to someone looking to perhaps buy an investment property, and this one's very broad as well. So be really careful when they're saying, okay, you could potentially get another 23 clicks and spend another $41 or whatever. Be really careful when you take Google's advice for a lot of this stuff, because quite often all they're really trying to do is get you to spend more money, and it will actually cost you money. None of these keywords, I would probably add none of these keywords into a campaign, because they're just not completely relevant to what I'm trying to achieve. So just a little lesson there for you. I hope you find that useful in the future. Take all of Google's recommendations with a grain of salt. All they're primarily interested in is getting you to spend more money. It's up to you to be smart about how you spend your money, and it's very rare that I take their advice, because in most cases it's not good advice. It's just an automated computer system that's coming up with the ideas, and there's no guarantee. It has no context behind what you're trying to do. All right, that's it for me. Hope that was helpful.